after cutting the four sides with square ends to the size of the glass, we then mitered the corners in the sliding compound miter saw, which is easier than mitering straight off to a mark. On the bottom of each frame there's a stop block there and there which stops the panels sliding out and falling about, and there's also a spacer here and a spacer there, the same thickness as the stop block, to make it coplanar on a flat surface. The panels can also be fixed to the wall with 3M picture stickers. On the back I've got 4 spacers here where you can attach the 3M picture sticker. There, there, and there, and there. The little space here, there, and there can deflect the light depending on the background colour of the wall. The light will deflect out here, there, and there, depending how thick the spacer are. There. On the back side of this one here, this little panel is removable to allow you to change the batteries on the pot light. The pot light is by West and Arrow. That's the name of the company. The glass panel is about 1/8 thick. The backing board is slightly more, nearly 3/16, and that is strong enough when it's doubled up to take the pot light on the back of the picture.